Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Here with our Denver area update. Inventory continues to decrease. Picked up from Thanksgiving weekend. We also had November month end in there, so the number of closings were higher. But still, buyers are out there. They're buying more than what sellers are putting on the market. Rates have dropped. Now we're into the low sixes. So definitely seeing some 5.99, sixes, 6 and 1/8 rates out there. So that's promising for how the market will continue to change. Also wanted to kind of look at, everybody's talking about recessions. So I wanted to show how I've shown this in the past, but I wanted to refresh it again with the home prices changing and how recessions impacted. This graph on this Fred source only goes back to 87, but these small gray areas are recessions. Obviously, we all know the big '08 crash. That was definitely real estate driven. But as you can see in the previous recessions, home prices have all gone up. This was our small COVID one. And then obviously the increases we had. And here's our small little decreases. I've talked about prices coming down. Sellers are very motivated right now. If you're looking to buy, it's a great time to do that. But so again, typically homes prices either stay the same or they go up, obviously with the one exception. So we'll see what happens. Sometimes employment will precede, changes in unemployment numbers will precede a recession. This graph actually goes back a whole lot further. And as you look here, as the employment numbers start dropping, that triggers that recession, I mean. And so here's our obviously big one with COVID. Jobs all went away, but we've come back to that. So this is kind of what the Fed's waiting for. We have not seen a drop in the jobs. That keeps remaining strong. That's kind of propping up inflation, and what everybody's afraid that the Fed's going to keep raising rates because the job market's so strong. Generally, that means income strong, people are going to still buy stuff, which is exactly the definition of demand side of inflation. So this is what I'll keep watching to see if we can start seeing it come into recession type numbers or direction. But for now, market's still strong. Again, we're coming into this slow part of this season, end of the year, first of the year. Once we hit spring, if those rates are down even more, I think you'll see even more buyer activity. So if you have any questions on that, definitely reach out. Otherwise, hope you guys have a great week.